It is said that genuine support is always sweet, especially if accompanied with real sweets. For several months, Islamabad police have been the target of terror attacks, including suicide blasts. The capital is on a high alert, with the number of police pickets on the increase all the time. The risk is high, but the morale of the police is also high.
The morale boosting of the people or of the police officers is very much essential. Definitely, they are standing here for the sake of the people, and they are at risk. Their life is at risk, and if the people are with them, if the citizens are with them, and if the nation is with them, then definitely they can fight this war against terrorism.
Members of a civil society organization called Friends of Police visited police checkposts on the Magala Road, which cuts through the posh area of Islamabad. They distributed flowers and sweets among the police and sang national anthem with them.
Pakistan Zindabad! Young kids, boys and girls from different schools and colleges of Islamabad, even on holiday today, they have joined hands together with us, and we are going to every picket of the post. We are giving them flowers, we are giving them fruits, juices, and just to show them that we are with you. In this war against terrorism, you are not alone.
The policemen were very excited by the surprise visit and the unique gesture from the people whose security is their responsibility. The visitors assured the police of their continued support in the war against terrorism. The Friends of Police say they are determined to extend their support and solidarity campaign to other cities as well. Umar Draz, Dawn News, Islamabad.
कि हम इस कौम के साथ हैं और इस मुश्किल घड़ी में हम अपने मुल्क के लिए जान भी कुर्बान कर देंगे।